Welcome. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by constant pings and alerts coming from your Telegram groups on desktop, you're not alone. Group chats are fun, but the never-ending notifications can get distracting, especially when you're trying to focus. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable group notifications on the Telegram app for PC. With this update, the process is quick and easy, and you'll gain more control over your time and focus. First, begin by opening your Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is open, look towards the top left corner of the screen. There, you'll find 3 horizontal lines stacked together. This is the main menu button, so go ahead and click on it. Next, from the list that opens, find and select Settings. This is the control center where all your preferences are managed. Inside the Settings menu, you'll want to look for Notifications and Sounds. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the section where you can customize how and when Telegram alerts you. Now, focus on the Groups option. This is where all the notification preferences related to your group chats are stored. Click on Groups, and you'll immediately see the different settings available. The step that makes the difference is right here. Disable the Notifications toggle for groups. Once you switch this off, you won't be disturbed by every single new message flooding your chats. Instead, you can choose to check those messages at your own time, without interruptions. The best part about this setup is that it doesn't remove you from the groups or block anyone. You'll still be part of the conversations and can read messages whenever you want. It just means you won't be constantly interrupted by alerts. And that's it. Just a few quick steps: opening Telegram, going into the main menu, entering Settings, selecting Notifications and Sounds, clicking on Groups, and finally disabling notifications. Now your Telegram desktop experience will feel calmer and distraction-free. If you've been struggling with too many group alerts, taking this little step can really help you stay more focused throughout the day. Give it a try and enjoy using Telegram on your own terms.